What is programming? An absolute beginner's introduction. Imagine telling a machine exactly what to do, and it obeys, perfectly, every time. That's the power of programming. In a world increasingly driven by technology, programming has evolved from a niche skill to an essential tool for innovation, problem solving, and communication with machines. Whether you're building a website, automating tasks, analyzing data, or creating the next viral app, programming is the gateway to turning ideas into reality. At its core, programming is the art and science of writing instructions that computers can understand. These instructions are written in languages such as Python, JavaScript, C++, and many others. Like human languages, each programming language has its own rules and structure. But instead of writing poetry or novels, programmers write algorithms, step-by-step procedures to perform tasks or solve problems. For beginners, the idea of programming may seem intimidating. Screens full of code, strange symbols, and unfamiliar logic can feel overwhelming. But the truth is, programming is much more accessible than it appears. It's about learning to think logically, break down complex problems, and design clear, efficient solutions. With the right mindset and resources, anyone can learn to code. One of the first concepts in programming is the use of variables, containers that store information like numbers or text. Next come control structures like loops and conditionals, which help the program make decisions or repeat actions. Functions allow you to package reusable blocks of code, while data structures like arrays and dictionaries help organize and manage data efficiently. The beauty of programming is that it doesn't just teach you how to write code, it teaches you how to think differently. Programmers learn to approach challenges with creativity and discipline. They become better at planning, debugging, and seeing the bigger picture, even in the smallest details. There are countless applications of programming in the real world. From mobile apps and video games to medical research and artificial intelligence, code is the invisible backbone of modern life. It powers social media, online banking, smart homes, and the very device you're using right now. If you're curious about technology, want to change careers, or simply love solving puzzles, programming is a skill worth pursuing. Start small. Try an online course, write your first script, or build a simple website. Celebrate your progress. Each line of code you write brings you closer to unlocking the digital universe. So, are you ready to speak the language of the future and start shaping the world with your own code?